Is your startup's payment processing holding you back? In the fast-paced world of new business, speed and simplicity are everything. You need a payment solution that's not just functional, but a true accelerator for growth. We're talking about more than just accepting cards. We're talking about scale, security, and global reach from day one. And that's where Paysafe comes in. This payment gateway is quickly becoming the go-to choice for ambitious startups, and for three core reasons. First up, flexibility and reach. For a startup dreaming of international customers, Paysafe is a game-changer. It offers a single, streamlined integration to accept a massive range of payment methods. We're talking hundreds, including popular card schemes, digital wallets like Skrill and Neteller, instant bank transfers, and even online cash solutions like Paysafe Card. This instantly unlocks new customer segments, especially in global markets where traditional credit cards might not be the norm. You get multi-currency processing right out of the box, letting you focus on selling, not on complex foreign exchange. Next, let's talk security and trust. As a startup, you can't afford a security breach or complex compliance headaches. Paysafe offers enterprise-grade security, including advanced fraud protection tools, real-time risk monitoring, and easy PCI DSS compliance assistance. They take the heavy lifting of security off your plate, which is crucial when your small team is stretched thin. This level of protection doesn't just safeguard your business, it builds immediate trust with your customers. Finally, integration and simplicity. For developers, the word integration can mean days of lost productivity. Paysafe is designed to be developer-friendly with a single, simple API for all its services. Whether you need recurring billing for a SaaS product or a quick checkout experience for e-commerce, their solutions are built to minimize friction. This faster, easier setup means you can get to market quicker and spend less time coding payment infrastructure and more time perfecting your core product. The bottom line is this: Paysafe gives new businesses the tools of an established enterprise, global payment access, ironclad security, and scalable technology, without the crippling complexity or huge upfront investment. It's a dedicated partner for the long haul, helping you turn every transaction into a smooth, secure, and successful customer experience. If you're ready to graduate from basic payment processing to a solution built for massive scaling, Paysafe deserves a serious look. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.